There's one thing that all business owners have in common, and that is meetings. Every single person wants to have a meeting with you, or you want to have a meeting with people. And so one of the challenges that comes up when trying to organize a meeting with another person or maybe with a group of people is to figure out what's the best time. And usually there's this email thread that goes back and forth, or maybe you're chatting to people in a WhatsApp group and it's like, oh my goodness, when are we going to have this meeting, because it's impossible to find a common time. If it's just two people, one tool that I recommend you use is Calendly. Truth be told, Calendly was on the scene way before any of the other tools that were available. Calendly is one of those OG tools that has existed on the internet for a long, long time. They've added features where you can add team members and have team members actually have their own calendars. And so as an enterprise or as a business, if you have multiple team members that maybe need to do sales calls or that need to maybe do interviews, then Calendly is a great place for a company to be able to manage all meetings. One of the features that I really love about Calendly is the Zoom integration. The Zoom integration allows you to actually send that email with the Zoom link automatically. If you're using Google Calendar, then that Calendly booking plus the Zoom link will appear in your calendar. And so these three things working together, Calendly, Zoom, and Google Calendar, is kind of the perfect trio for being able to set up a meeting. Because one, people can schedule the meeting with you through your Calendly link. Number two, Calendly is going to send them the Zoom link. And three, Calendly is going to put that calendar event into your calendar. And so neither you nor that person can miss the meeting, because those reminder emails are also going to go out from Calendly. Another great feature of Calendly is that you can actually charge for meetings. You can actually have people book paid consultation calls or paid bookings with you. And so because it connects with PayPal and it connects to Stripe, it's very easy for you to send somebody your Calendly link, have them book the meeting and pay for it at the same time. The money is going to appear in your bank account, the person's going to appear in your calendar, and you have the meeting and you'll be able to deliver on the promise that you've given them in that call. Calendly can also be integrated with your email marketing platform. And so if people have an understanding that by booking the meeting with you that you're also adding them to your email list, then that's brilliant, because now you don't have to ask that person to opt in. You give them a checkbox on your Calendly form that says, hey, do you want to subscribe to the newsletter? They choose right there and then. And so by virtue of the fact that they're booking a meeting with you and getting to know you in that meeting, you can also send them a nurture sequence after the session and after you've actually met them. So it's kind of one of those time-saving tools that helps you do all of these things with very minimum effort. And another sort of quick hack that I suggest you do is have a shortcut on your phone. Set up a shortcut on your phone or set up a shortcut on your desktop where all you need to do is type out a certain string of words or letters and your Calendly link with that whole sentence that says, hey, here's my Calendly link, you can book a meeting here. That's kind of like the best case scenario, because then you don't have to remember what your Calendly link is. It's all automated and people can book meetings with you, and you can increase the likelihood of those meetings actually going ahead because people will show up. So yeah, Calendly is free. There's no reason why you shouldn't try it out. Check out the link in my description. This video is not sponsored. I wish you all the best with booking your meetings and your appointments online. Like I said, if you want to check out Acuity, then check out this other video. And I'll see you in the next one.